House in the mail today that the kids bought me. Be this one. Spring Romance. Here's all the pieces. This is the paper background. And all the bagged pieces. The walls. Of course, the book with the instructions in Chinese that you love to follow. The bags have so much in it. It's starting to look a little intimidating, but I know I have this. I also got my tools. You always get a big bag of tools with every order. The new glue I like to use is the 3-in-1 beacon glue. I was using this tacky glue, but not so hot on that. So we're going to begin this today, and I will be posting progress on how well it goes. I just wanted to make a note too. I'm getting disenchanted with Banggood at the moment because they sent me the wrong kit, and when I notified them 3 or 4 months ago now, they told me the problem would be taken care of, and I'm still waiting and have been going round and round with them and still have not gotten that kit. I'm noticing lately that pieces are missing, or you're getting extra pieces that should probably be coming in somebody else's kit. Or like with this kit, if you look at the bottom of the box, it was totally pretty much opened up and mangled. So they're getting a little off their game here lately. I'm a VIP 4 member, so I would think they would want to take care of that problem. You know, it's spending so much money with their company, but it doesn't seem like it's a big deal to them. So pretty upset. Like I said, I bought that kit a few months ago, and I'm still waiting to have it the right kit sent to me. But I have gone round and round. I've sent many emails. I've done Facebook. I've tried going through all the proper avenues and still have not received the kit that I paid for. At this point, I guess I have no real choice but to go to my bank and have the payment reimbursed or stopped, or whatever you do with that. But yeah, come on, Banggood, pull it together. I'm going to start shopping at somewhere else like Amazon. Even though Amazon's a little more expensive, I can get my house in 2 days. It takes a month to get them from Banggood. Well, I will say that about Banggood, it's getting better. It's been about 2 weeks, no longer a month. I think maybe it's a month on the holidays. So digging into this project right now, and we'll see how this goes. I wish I could, you know, sit and make videos to show how you do them like everybody else does, but I'm just not ready to attempt that yet with all the editing that goes into that. And you know, I would like to be one of the types that sit and describe what you do as you do it, instead of having the music and the popping sounds that can be annoying. And a lot of times they skip parts in the video that are the most important to you, that you really need to know or need to see what to do. And then you'll look and they've already got that piece made. They didn't show how they made it, and then you're like kind of at a loss because you're not real sure on that part and you don't want to mess it up. So you all have a great day out there, and I'm going to get started on this and wait for Memorial Weekend and have a blast. Shout out to all you stoners.